So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set live wallpaper on your Android smartphone. But before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. First of all, go to your phone settings, then go to wallpaper and style, then go to wallpapers. Here you can see a bunch of live wallpapers. In your phone it might be some different wallpapers because of your different brand of your phone, but that's all right, you can choose from that only. So let's choose any wallpaper. Which one we should choose? You can see that bunch of, let me show you some wallpapers. You can choose any of them. Let's choose this one. Just click on the apply button. Here two options come in front of us. One is home screen and other one is home screen and lock screen both. So you can apply either on home screen or both home screen and lock screen. So let's just apply for home screen now. And here we go. Our live wallpaper is applied and it gives a cool look to your phone. And but there's a catch that it takes a little bit more battery as compared to normal wallpaper, but that's fine, it gives a cool look too. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.